Alright, good day guys, and welcome back once again to Custom Hustles channel. So in today's video, I will be unveiling another private proxy provider which is called the YOUproxy. So if you are serious about staying anonymous online, maybe you want to start managing multiple accounts, doing surveys, or even doing remote work, or maybe you want to start scrapping like a boss without getting blocked, then this video is for you. Don't forget, make sure you watch to the end. So today I will be diving into a tool that I personally tested and now fully recommend, and it's called YOUproxy, and it's a game changer for private proxies, and it's also very cheap and affordable. So without further ado, let me quickly show you guys how the interface and how the website also works, and from there I'm going to show you how you can also purchase your proxy. So if you are new to this website, then this is what you are going to do. So let's do as if we don't know anything about YOUproxy, and we are starting everything afresh. So get my account here. Let's type in YOUproxy, and don't forget to use the promo code that I will provide in the description below, so that you'll be able to get 15% discount on, and you can use it anytime. So we'll dive in, we'll go to search bar and search for YOUproxy, just as you can see. And if you don't have an account already, then you need to make sure you create an account. So this is the interface, this is the whole interface. So they provide the IPv4 if you are going for IPv4 IP. They also provide IPv6, and they have the ISP and the mobile proxy. And this is a space for country. So if you want to select a specific country, which I'm going to also purchase, then let's say we are going for let me choose one. Let's say we are purchasing for let me choose one, Brazil. Okay, and the rental period, like how long did you want to purchase the proxy? Let's say we are purchasing for 1 week. Let me just leave 1 week. And how many IP do you want to buy? Like how many IPs do you want to buy? Let's say I'm going for 1. Then you can click on buy. But note, if you buy with that, the price still remain. Look at the total cost. It will cost you just 0.5. That's for 1 IP, and I know you won't buy 1 IP. You'll be able to buy like more. So let's say you are done with setting up. Maybe you want to buy the IPv4, the country which is Brazil, for 1 week and for 1 IP. So let's say if you want to buy it, it will cost you total of this. But if you apply my promo code, which is God's time, apply my promo code, which is God's time, and check that the price has been reduced. It gives you 15% discount on every proxy you want to purchase, and it also you can also use it anytime. You understand? You can use it for as long as you want to use it. Okay, so now let's say we are done setting up that and we want to purchase. You click on buy, but before we go there, I'm coming. Let's go to check some of the. You can see the countries available: Australia, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, and a lot. England, Finland, France, Georgia. There are lots of countries available here. There are a lot of countries. So they provide you with about 100% anonymity. You understand? 100% anonymity, and it also the uptime is 99%, which is 100%. Connections, about in just 10 seconds everything will be connected, and they have 24/7 support, which they will be able to attend to your query anytime you need them. They will attend to you anytime you need them. And you know, SOC 5 is always very strong, and that's what you are getting here. Not just HTTP or HTTPS, you are also getting SOC 5. So depending on the one you want to go for, they are all fine. So let's go down again, and there are a lot of reviews. If you go to Yeah, there are a lot of reviews here. If you go to Trustpilot, you'll be able to see a lot of reviews about these guys. So this one says, quite often when I buy an IPv4 or ISP, yeah, I get the same proxy subnet. So I can guarantee you that these people, there are a lot of reviews here and a lot more. And maybe you want to speak with them maybe directly, or you don't want to contact them you can join their Facebook group, Telegram group, and this is their support email, and a lot more. So let's dive right straight to the creation of the accounts, and we are going to buy the account and buy the proxy from there. So let's say I'm buying now. Let's say let me buy the proxy. I know they will still take me to go and sign up. So if I click on it, because of my promo code, the 15% discount has been applied here. So let's say I want to make an order. Because I've selected everything, okay, we just need to sign up first. So for me, I have an account, so we'll still guide you. So for me, I have an account already, which is already here. But if you don't have an account, you can just go right here, check my cursor here, and click on register. So you put in your email and your password, then you click on register. For me, I have an account, so I will just go ahead and log in. So this is it. I log in. Let's wait for it to load. Boom, is there. So they also have a lot of other features. If you just hover over the settings here, you will see that if you want to check your IP, you will check it. You want to ping IP, like a lot more. Like they offer a lot of features over here. So now let's say we want to buy a proxy. Let's go ahead to purchase one proxy as an example. So for me, I have it in my balance already, so I will just purchase from my balance. But if you don't have, I'm going to show you how to go about it. So you click on new order here, just as I show you guys in the previous one. So you select the country you want to buy from. Let's say we are going for England, or let's say we are going for Australia. Now, what is the purpose? You can select the purpose. If it is for survey, you can go, well, let me say surfing. Let me go for surfing. And the period, let me just go for 1 week. And the count, let me go for like 2 or so, depending on the one you want to go for. For me, let me just go for 1, just for demonstration. Let me just go for 1 IP. So I go for 1. I go for 1, yeah. So the payment method, they provide fast payment method. So maybe if you are from Nigeria and you don't have most of this thing, you can use this Visa or MasterCard, which can go. If you have PayPal, you can use. If you have any Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, it will also go. If you want to go with USDT, it will also go. So BNB, they provide a lot of payment methods. So maybe you don't have any of this Bitcoin, any of these cryptocurrencies, you can choose from other cryptocurrency and crypto payments here. So for me, I already have it as a balance, so I will just use my balance. I'll just use from my balance. So depending, if you want the static IP, you click here. If you need the username and password, which is the one I will go with, I go with that. So it will automatically select your email here. It will automatically select your email. So which my email is already highlighted here. And for now, let's say we are done with everything. Our total cost for one IP would be just 0.65. You can see very cheap. You cannot compare it with any other proxy. Now we've already gotten it at a very cheap rate. Now let's say we still want to further reduce it. That's when you now got a promo code. You now use the promo code God's time, and you can see it has been reduced to just 0.55 cents. So you agree to the terms and make your order. Boom, I'm done. So if you go and check the email, you will not just see it here, but they will send it directly to your email. So for me, I will have to pause and check my email, so you don't see most of my personal information. So I will just pause and check my email. So And right here in my email, you can see it here. They've already sent it to me immediately without any delay. They sent it to me. So I'll now use these details to configure it on my I'll now use it to configure it on my my Go login, where we'll be connecting from. This is an anti-detect browser. So if you combine these two, my brother, you're 100% anonymous online. So let's go straight to Go login. I have an account already. So if you don't have an account, check. Maybe I will just drop the video on how to go about, or you can check my previous videos. Maybe if I might drop it in the description, but just check in my channel. On my channel, if you don't see the pop-up here, you will see where I show you guys how to go about Go login and how you can use Go login for forever, or let me just say for lifetime. So let's now go to configure it here. I have it this one. Let me just click on settings. Let me click on settings. Yeah. So if you want to go with the SOX 5, they will give you the port number to use, which is in the email to use. Then you choose from there. If you want to go with HTTP, they also have one and the port, but I'm going for SOX 5, so I will choose the SOX 5 port. So I click on it, and here this is the IP, which is also provided in the email description and what they sent to my email. So I will just go here, copy the IP list. This is for HTTP, just as I said, and this is for SOX 5. So I will click on this one, I will copy it, then I will go to Go login, and I will that's the port. Okay, yes, I will paste it here. So I will go to IP. I want to check for the IP. Yeah, this is the IP list 20. All right, I'll just copy that. Then I will go here for IP address and paste. So for the login, I will still do the same thing for the login. You can see the login is already provided, is being provided here. I'll copy it. I'll still do the same thing. I will do the same thing. I will paste it here. I'll go to my my password. I will still copy it, highlight it, copy it, and take it to my Go login, then paste it. Now let's check the proxy if it is active or not. Let's check it. You can see that yes, our proxy is active, and proxy in Australia is active. So let me just save the profile. Let me just rename it as demonstration demo YOUproxy. Don't forget to use my promo code for 15% discount. You are not going to see that anywhere. So let's click on save, and boom, it's ready, Australia. So let's run it. This is not just talking here and there, but we are making some move. So I will just, what is my IP address? So that's where I check my IP. So you can also use browser check to check your IP. You can see it here, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, to show you that yes, let's use another IP checker to check if it's accurate. So we are going to use this tool to check. So with this proxy, you'll be able to access everything you want and at any time. So don't forget to use my promo code for a 15% discount. And you can also use that. Anytime. It doesn't matter the number of times you want to use it. You can use it anytime, any days. It's unlimited. You can use it unlimited. Anytime you want to buy your proxy, you can use it. So if you've been sleeping on proxies or tired of slow, overpriced service, now is your chance to level up. You can also check in the link in the description use the promo code. Don't forget that. Don't forget also to smash the like button, drop your question in the comments, and don't forget to also subscribe for more real tools for real hustlers. So thank you guys for staying up to this end. Thanks.